Alright, you box breakers and pack rippers, this is part 3 of our unboxing Dragon Ball Super card game, Miraculous Revival. We totally forgot about these two special packs, and so here in part 3 we're just going to do these two packs. If you didn't see part 1 and part 2, go back and check those out. We pulled out the Super 17 Cell Absorb, we pulled out Super 17 Yamcha, this one, this one, this one. Anyway, Dee's here with us again, and we just totally forgot these. I think we showed that one. Alright, so let's see what these are all about. Do you know what these are about?
So the Dash Pack cards are 4 or 5 special cards exclusive to only when you buy the booster packs, or the booster box as a whole. Some of them are good, some of them aren't. It just depends on what you get and what they do.
Okay, here we go. We've got 2 of these to open, so this is our first one. Let's see if I can get it out of here.
Like the Janemba Leader card. That one's pretty good right now. It's just a good force your opponent to mill cards deck build.
$10, $5?
About $5.
Okay, pretty nice. We'll put a sleeve on it just because it came out of the super special pack. I can't believe we forgot that in part 2. Anyway, we got to do a special part 3 right here. Alright, second pack opening Dragon Ball Super card game Miraculous Revival. Here we go. Oops, just throwing it on the ground. Infernal Forged Hellfighter 17.
Not bad.
Not bad. Not bad at all. Nothing special, but
it's a 19k dual attack, 3-drop. When you run it in the 17-18 deck, it becomes a 2-drop. You can get boosted up to 24k when they're awakened and they have their secondary ability.
Not much of a description there.
Yeah, it just has its dual attack ability, so it can swing twice in a turn.
Nice. Super cool artwork. Okay, well those were our two special pack openings here in part 3. If you haven't seen part 1 and 2, go back and check that out. Again, thanks to Dee, thanks to Joe at Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles. We're here live. He's on 24th Street in Osborne. Stop in and see him. You may even see us filming here. Otherwise, hit him up on Facebook or give him a call. Alright guys, we'll see you next time. Appreciate it. Here on the Box Breakers. We're out.